Hello there everybody, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you for coming by. For this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize your storage space and how to make a sloped or slanted walls into a nice storage space very easily. So if you guys are interested in that, please continue watching. Alright, so moving on to the measurements, I have the sheet of wood that is 32.5 inches by 40 inches, and I believe it's about half an inch thick. So I decided to divide this sheet of wood into three, just so it will be easier for me, and also it will allow me to have more shelving. So once that's done, I decided to give it a couple of coats of paint, just so it can kind of brighten up, the look. I like the white look, so I went with that. It's actually a gray paint, I don't know why I said white. But anyways, once it's completely dry, I'm measuring 8 inches from the outside end to where I want to place the bracket. And then I'm marking the spot and going ahead and using a smaller screw and attaching the top of the bracket onto the wood before I go ahead and put it on the wall. And also in the middle of this, I ran out of the smaller screws, so I had to use a little bigger screw than the one that I used prior to this one. So I had to go ahead and use a decent size thick piece of cardboard and put it in between the bracket and the wood, just so when I screw the screw on, I don't want the tip of the screw to poke from the top side of the shelving later on. In case if you guys are wondering, that's the reason why you see a cardboard on. Alright, so once it's all lined up, before I attach it on the wall, I go ahead and of course mark it and everything, and go ahead and drill it and use a plastic wall plug just to save your walls and give your shelves a lot more strength. So once it's all done, I go ahead and use 8x1 screw size and put up all the shelves and organize it. And the way I organized it is I did sheets and the bed sheets and stuff like that at the bottom. And for the top two shelves, I used it for my DIY stuff mainly. And it's just so much easier to find things, I filmed this video last year. I believe it was last year. I wasn't going to upload it because I moved out of that place. But I thought somebody might find it helpful, and hopefully they get to use up a space that you have. Especially if you have a sloped wall or a ceiling like this. It just makes the storage space a lot more visually appealing, and it's much easier to find what you're looking for, I tell you. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on another video.